Hi guys, today we'll explain how to add Ethereum in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy, and what you have to do, just open your application. Once it will be open. If I scroll down, this one is my crypto list. And on the second number, you can see the Ethereum. It's already added in my crypto list. That's why if I click on it, I can do multiple things like send, receive, and swap. But what if it's not here? Then let's go back from here by clicking on this arrow. Now scroll down to the last, and here you can see the option of Manage Crypto. Just click on it. Once you will click on it, all the networks which are available will be shown, and in the search bar you have to write ETH. Once you will write, on the top, you can see Ethereum. Always be careful, because if you enable the wrong one, then you will not get any kind of token from that crypto. And on the top, you can see Ethereum. It's the main crypto. Now toggle it to turn it on. And then let's go back from here by clicking on this arrow, and now swipe up. And here you can see Ethereum has been added. Now we can do multiple things like send or receive, swap, buy, and send. And it was the way by which you can do it easy.